Mheshimiwa Musalia Mudavadi, kiongozi wa ANC na familia yako, our Deputy President, Senator Wetangula, viongozi wote hamjambo. Salamu alaikum. Mimi sina maneno mingi. Tangu jana nilikuwa najaribu kuangalia hii earthquake. What will be the form of this earthquake? But as I sit there behind Musalia Mudavadi and his family, he spoke for millions and millions of Kenyans, me included. And he spoke about the state of our nation today honestly. He spoke about the debt level. He spoke about extrajudicial killing and disappearance of innocent citizens, contrary to the Constitution. He spoke about impunity by the highest office on the land. He spoke about the use for the first time under the 2010 Constitution of the criminal justice system and Kenya Revenue Authority in fighting citizens and leaders who have contrary opinion to the position of the state. He spoke about the need for the unity of the people of Kenya and our economy. And I think those of us who work with the Deputy President, we are a group of leaders who the last 3 years stood firm, sacrificed our positions, sacrificed our friends in order to stand for what Musalia Mudavadi spoke this afternoon. And all this happened under the leadership of the so-called handshake. So I think we are together here. I have worked with Honorable Musalia Mudavadi in the 10th Parliament, Honorable William Ruto, Honorable Moses Wetangula, and 2 other leaders who are not here, the handshake brothers. And I want to say it here without any fear of contradiction, that when the history of the Republic of Kenya is written under the handshake leadership, one thing will come out very, very clearly, that there was a government that circumvented and overthrew institutions, independent institutions created by the Constitution and the Constitution itself. So finally, I want to speak to those who serve in government, who perpetuate the culture of impunity, who make many families cry every night because their loved ones were thrown in River Tana and River Yala. That there are many Kenyans who have no jobs. There are many Kenyans who lost their business because you put this country into a serious debt crisis. But I'm sure today from Bomas, a team has come together to salvage our country. UDA, ANC, Ford Kenya, and all other parties who share the same vision. And I want to say it here. Every vote, it is not only the vote of Rift Valley that counts. It is not only the vote of Mount Kenya that counts. It is not only the vote of Western Province that counts, Musalia Mudavadi talked about minorities. Every community and every region, regardless of its vote, counts as we move along to bring change to our country. Na Mungu awabariki. Tuko na Mheshimiwa Musalia. Mheshimiwa Musalia, sisi wengine wetu ambaye tunaamini Mungu, nikimalizia, leo usiku tukirudi kuomba, tutakuombea Mwenyezi Mungu. Kwa sababu wewe umeongea na Wakenya na umesema ukweli, and nobody can say anything that Musalia said is not the truth. It's the truth, but nothing but the truth. So help us God. Thank you.
Asante. Sasa kabla tumkaribishe naibu